This is the video of how to install SAP on the Mac systems. First of all, please log in into your Canvas. When you go inside the Canvas, you will find a course, MIS 305. Please go inside the course. Click on course information. Click on course material info. Here you see number 4 as how to install login navigation instruction. Please click on that. Here is the link SAP Mac download instructions. Here you see the link. This is actually a document sheet for the complete instruction. I'm still going through the video for you guys. Please go to the link. On this link, here you see SAP GUI Java installer for Mac. Please click 772p2 DMG. This will install a DMG file. This package is what we need to install on Mac. Since I have this already with me in my downloads, I'll just pause this and I'll show you how to install the package. Double click this installer. Click open. Click on next, install. Click on close. We'll close this installer. We'll eject this installer too. Now go to all your applications. You'll find something like SAP clients. Click on that. Click on that. And here it is. You have successfully installed. Sometimes you won't see this big screen. Sometimes the workspaces are hidden and you can see only this much. In case if you see only this much of the screen, please go to view and then click show all workspaces, and here you are all set to use SAP on Mac.